In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync calendar and Pipedrive. By the end, your meetings and activities will flow seamlessly between your calendar and Pipedrive, so you can stay organized without double entry. Start by signing in to your Pipedrive account. It's best to do this on a desktop browser so you can see all the settings clearly. Once you're in, head to your profile menu at the top right and open Personal Preferences. This is where Pipedrive keeps your account-level settings, including the calendar connection. Inside Preferences, look for the Calendar Sync section. This is the hub that links your external calendar to Pipedrive. Syncing here helps keep your schedule consistent, prevents double booking, and ensures that activities you create in Pipedrive appear in your regular calendar, and vice versa. Next, enter the email address associated with the calendar you want to connect. Use the same address you normally use for Google Calendar, Microsoft 365, or Exchange, depending on your organization. Accuracy matters here because the system will use this address to identify the right calendar service. Click Connect Account to start the secure sign-in process. Pipedrive will redirect you to your calendar provider to authenticate the connection. This is normal and ensures your credentials stay private with your provider. Choose your email provider from the options shown, like Google, Office 365, or Exchange. If you're not sure which one your company uses, think about where you usually log in to check email on the web: Google for Gmail, or Microsoft for Office 365 and Exchange. When prompted, type your password for that email account. Keep your credentials secure and never share them. You may also be asked to confirm your identity if your organization uses additional verification, so follow any on-screen prompts from your provider. Finally, click Sign In to complete the connection. You may see a permission screen asking you to allow access to your calendar. Granting access is required for the sync to work. After you approve, Pipedrive will begin syncing your events automatically. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if you have a busy calendar. Once it's done, you'll see your events appear in Pipedrive's Activities view, and any new activities you add in Pipedrive will reflect back in your connected calendar. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh. Also, avoid connecting the same calendar more than once to prevent duplicates. That's it. Your calendar is now synced with Pipedrive. If this helped you streamline your workflow, subscribe for more.